A very marvelous morning to one and all present over here. Myself, Anant Pathak, a student of class 12th, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, second shift. Today, we are here to perform some best beneficial yogasanas. The first two are pranayam, which are best for mental health, while others are asanas, which are best for physical health. So let's begin. The first pranayam is Anulom Vilom. This is best for our lungs, for our heart, for our throat, as well as for our brain. This pranayam is best as it provides the highest amount of oxygen to our mind and body that any pranayam can provide. The second one is Kapalbhati. This is the best for our lungs as well as relieving stress from our mind and our throat. This is the best for those who say that I lack energy in day-to-day work. This is the best energizing pranayam. After completing our first pranayam, we'll move forward to our first asana, that is Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. It reduces obesity and cures the disorders of urinary bladder, liver, constipation, gas problems, and indigestion. It is best for spine and circulation of blood in our body. The second asana we'll perform is Chakrasana or wheel pose. This asana is best as it removes all pain and all type of stress from the whole body. It cures thyroid glands, pituitary glands, as well as hernia and asthma also. It expands our chest, thus more oxygen is available in our. Third asana we'll perform is Matsyasana or fish pose. This asana is best for those who are suffering with diabetes, as well as it cures the defects of our eyes. It regulates and stretches our posture and cures back pain, knee pain, tonsillitis, and cures skin diseases also. The fourth asana we'll perform is Vajrasana. It is a meditative pose. This asana is excellent for students as it improves memory power, it improves concentration, as well as reduces all type of stress, anxiety, and depression from our whole body. Not only this much, it gives relief in constipation, acidity, and increases the efficiency of our digestive system also. Fifth asana we'll perform is Tadasana or tree pose. It is beneficial for those who want to enhance their height. It treats hypertension, constipation, obesity, improves our body posture, and also develops physical and mental balance in our body. After doing all asanas, at last a person should perform Shavasana or rest pose. In Shavasana, it is best for nervous system as well as for memory, concentration, and it gives us a sense of relief and removes our stress also. It is best in high blood pressure as well as for all cardiac problems and improves body posture. Friends, the only thing needed is your willpower. That I'll start my day with yoga. Thank you for being with me, friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.